Welcome to our tutorial. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to enhancing audio with Azure AI Speech Studio. First, open your web browser and go to the Azure portal. In the search bar, type Speech Studio and select it from the search results. Alternatively, you can directly navigate to the Speech Studio website. Once you're on the Speech Studio page, you'll need to log in. Enter your Azure account credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. After signing in, you'll see the Speech Studio dashboard. For example, if you're working on converting text to speech, choose the text-to-speech project type. Add your script directly into the text box provided in the Speech Studio interface. Choose from a variety of natural-sounding voices available in the Speech Studio. Customize the voice settings to match your needs. Adjust the pitch to make the voice sound higher or lower. Control the speed at which the text is spoken. Set the volume level to ensure clarity and consistency. Once you're satisfied with the audio, save the file within the Speech Studio. Export the enhanced audio file to your system in your preferred format. For example, MP3, WAV. By following these steps, you can easily transform your audio from amateur to professional quality using Azure AI Speech Studio. This tool not only helps in converting text to speech, but also provides various features to enhance the overall audio quality, making your content more engaging and understandable.